Hey there, this is William, and this is episode 2 of the tutorial series Vue Js, the beginner series. I want us to talk about in this episode regarding declarative rendering. And let us go ahead and demonstrate that by um, having a file. So, what I'm going to do is create a HTML file and then be able to turn it into a Vue.js document. So, I'm going to name my file index .html like that. Then I'm going to save it, and I have created inside local disk C. I have created a folder called test. So inside here is where I'm going to place my index.php. Obviously, you can put your file wherever it is that you find okay. So I'm going to have my file there, and you're going to save it. So of course, I require to have HTML5 scaffolding, and if your editor does not have this, you can be able to install as an extension. After that, I would like us to import Vue.js. So what I'm going to do is to have script tags here, and then inside here, I'm going to have the source, and the source I'm going to have it as HTTPS, and then we are going to have the CDN link and package, something of that sort, and unpkg like that.com /view at 3. We're going to save it, and inside our body we are going to have a script tag here. So I'm going to have script, and inside here what I'm going to have is to create an instance of a Vue app. So I'm going to have view dot create app, and then we will have the curly braces, and then I can attach a modifier. We can say dot mount, and what I'm going to pass in here is the name of the div that we have. So in this case, we are going to have a div called app. Also inside the body, we can now be able to have div with an ID of app, and then we will be able to close our div like that. So inside here, I want us to be able to pass a message. So I'm going to have a paragraph tag, and I want us to have to pass a message. And anytime you want to render whatever it is that you have declared in a Vue.js, you are able to show them using the mouse touch. So in this case, what I want to show is a message like that. In fact, it doesn't have to have the $, just message that way. And here we can be able to declare whatever it is that we want to be the value of the message. So I will have data, and then inside data we are going to return, and inside here what I'm going to have is message, and we are going to pass some text, and I'm going to say hello there, and that way you can have a comma there. And now what we are doing is that we are declaring something, and we want it to be put in HTML. And in this case, once you do the declaration, the whatever it is that you have declared here is usually reactive. So in this case, if there are changes, it will change here, and it will also change on wherever on the place that we are declaring it. So let us go ahead and see if we can be able to launch this application of ours and see if it is possible for us to display the message. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just navigate to the place where we have our file. So I'm going to go to uh, my local disk C, and then test, and then I want to open index. And now you can see we have hello there. In fact, if I want to declare any other thing, so for example, we can have greeting, another thing called greeting. And then, so here we can say how are you. It's still possible for us to be able to pass this one here as greeting, like that. So if I'm to refresh again, you can see that is being displayed. And also we can be able to do modification of whatever it is that we have here. So I can be able to maybe change the message to uppercase and change the greeting to uppercase on the fly, just in our application here. So let us go ahead and see how we can be able to do that. We can attach a modifier here by having dot to uppercase. And if we are to save, if we refresh, again, now you can see that this one, whatever is that you're passing from here, which is actually in small letters, I mean in a mixed case, now is being, everything is being turned to uppercase. So basically that is how you can be able to declare properties, and you can be able to have them changing inside your HTML. Thank you very much for following this episode up until this point. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also share in the comment section. You can also give this video a like if you find that it is useful. Thank you.